Have you ever wondered what it takes to build an airplane that is expected to redefine long-haul travel for decades? Imagine stepping onto an aircraft so advanced that every detail, from its enormous wings to its whisper-quiet engines, has been engineered to make flying more efficient, more comfortable, and more environmentally friendly than ever before. This is the Boeing 777-9, one of the most anticipated passenger aircraft in modern aviation. For years, airlines, aviation experts, and travelers around the world have been waiting for this remarkable jet to enter commercial service. But why has it attracted so much attention? What makes it different from every other passenger airplane in the sky? And why do many experts believe it could become the new flagship of international travel? To understand the importance of the Boeing 777-9, we first need to look back at the incredible success of the original Boeing 777 family. When the first Boeing 777 entered service in the 1990s, it quickly became one of the most trusted long-haul aircraft ever built. Airlines loved it because it was reliable, fuel-efficient, and capable of carrying hundreds of passengers across continents without stopping. Travelers appreciated its spacious cabin and smoother flights, while pilots admired its advanced technology and impressive performance. Over the years, the Boeing 777 earned a reputation as one of the safest and most successful wide-body aircraft in aviation history. However, technology never stands still. Airlines wanted an aircraft that could fly even farther while consuming less fuel. They wanted lower operating costs without sacrificing passenger comfort. Environmental regulations also became stricter, pushing manufacturers to create cleaner and more efficient airplanes. Boeing accepted this challenge and began developing an entirely new generation of the famous 777. Instead of designing a completely new aircraft from scratch, Boeing decided to transform one of its greatest successes into something even more extraordinary. The result was the Boeing 777X program, with the Boeing 777-9 becoming its largest and most capable version. At first glance, the Boeing 777-9 immediately stands out because of its enormous size. Stretching more than 76 meters in length, it is one of the longest passenger aircraft ever constructed. Its massive fuselage allows airlines to accommodate significantly more passengers than previous versions of the 777 while still providing a spacious cabin experience. Depending on the airline's seating configuration, the aircraft can carry well over 400 passengers on long international routes. One of the most fascinating features of the Boeing 777-9 is something that has never before been seen on a commercial passenger aircraft in regular airline service. Its wings are equipped with folding wingtips. This innovative design solves a major engineering challenge. During flight, the aircraft benefits from an extremely large wingspan that improves aerodynamic efficiency and reduces fuel consumption. But when the aircraft lands and taxis through airports, the outer sections of the wings automatically fold upward. This allows the airplane to fit into existing airport gates without requiring airports to build entirely new infrastructure. It is a brilliant engineering solution that combines efficiency with practicality. These impressive wings are constructed using advanced carbon fiber composite materials rather than traditional aluminum. Composite materials are both lighter and stronger, allowing engineers to build larger wings without adding excessive weight. Lighter aircraft require less fuel, produce lower emissions, and can fly longer distances while carrying more passengers and cargo. Powering this giant aircraft are two of the most advanced jet engines ever developed for commercial aviation. The GE9X engines are engineering masterpieces created after years of research and testing. Each engine is so large that its fan diameter is wider than the fuselage of some regional passenger aircraft. Despite their incredible size, these engines are designed to consume significantly less fuel while producing lower noise levels than previous generations. The GE9X incorporates advanced materials capable of withstanding extremely high temperatures inside the engine core. These materials allow engineers to increase efficiency while maintaining reliability during thousands of flight hours. Advanced computer-controlled systems continuously monitor engine performance, ensuring maximum efficiency throughout every phase of flight. Fuel efficiency has become one of the biggest priorities for airlines around the world. Fuel represents one of the highest operating costs in commercial aviation. Even a small improvement in fuel consumption can save airlines millions of dollars each year. Boeing claims that the 777-9 offers significant improvements in fuel efficiency compared with older aircraft of similar size. This means airlines can reduce operating costs while also lowering carbon emissions. Inside the cabin, passengers will notice numerous improvements designed to enhance comfort during long international flights. Boeing has introduced a wider cabin layout that gives airlines greater flexibility when designing seating arrangements. Even with additional passengers on board, the cabin is expected to feel more spacious than many existing aircraft. Large panoramic windows allow more natural light to enter the cabin, creating a brighter and more pleasant environment. Modern LED lighting systems can gradually change colors throughout the flight, helping passengers adjust to different time zones and reducing the effects of jet lag. Improved cabin pressurization and higher humidity levels are expected to reduce fatigue, headaches, and dehydration during ultra-long-haul journeys. Noise reduction has also been a major focus. Engineers have carefully designed the engines, cabin insulation, and airflow systems to create one of the quietest cabins ever offered on a Boeing aircraft. Lower noise levels help passengers relax, sleep, and enjoy a more comfortable travel experience. The cockpit represents another major leap forward. Although inspired by the Boeing 787 Dreamliner, the Boeing 777-9 cockpit includes numerous upgrades that improve pilot awareness and operational efficiency. Large high-resolution digital displays provide pilots with critical flight information in an intuitive format. Advanced flight management systems assist pilots during every phase of the journey while maintaining the highest safety standards. Automation plays an important role, but pilots remain fully in control of the aircraft at all times. Sophisticated computers constantly monitor thousands of aircraft systems every second, identifying potential issues before they become serious problems. This predictive monitoring helps improve reliability while reducing maintenance costs. Safety has always been Boeing's highest priority, and the 777-9 includes countless safety improvements developed through decades of operational experience. Every major system contains multiple layers of redundancy. If one system experiences a malfunction, backup systems automatically take over almost instantly. This philosophy ensures that passengers remain safe even during extremely unlikely technical failures. The aircraft has also undergone one of the most extensive testing programs in Boeing's history. Engineers have subjected the airplane to extreme weather conditions, structural stress tests, high-speed taxi trials, engine evaluations, and thousands of hours of flight testing. Every component must meet strict international certification requirements before passengers are allowed on board. While the Boeing 777-9 promises remarkable technology, its journey has not been easy. The program has faced multiple delays due to engineering challenges, certification requirements, changing market conditions, and the global aviation industry's recovery after the pandemic. Each delay attracted worldwide attention because airlines had already placed hundreds of orders for this next-generation aircraft. Instead of rushing the process, Boeing has continued refining the airplane to satisfy regulators and ensure every safety standard is fully met before commercial service begins. Despite these delays, confidence in the aircraft remains strong. Major international airlines continue preparing for its arrival because they believe its long-term benefits will outweigh the wait. For many carriers, the Boeing 777-9 represents the future of premium international travel, offering the ideal combination of passenger capacity, operational efficiency, and modern comfort. As development continues, aviation enthusiasts around the world eagerly watch every test flight, every certification update, and every announcement from Boeing. Each successful milestone brings the aircraft one step closer to carrying its first paying passengers across the globe. And if everything goes according to plan, the Boeing 777-9 could soon begin a new chapter in commercial aviation, setting new standards for efficiency, comfort, and innovation that future passenger aircraft will strive to match. As the Boeing 777-9 moves closer to commercial service, airlines around the world are already preparing for a new era of long-haul travel. Some of the world's biggest carriers have placed orders for this remarkable aircraft because they believe it will become the backbone of their international fleets for decades to come. Every airline wants an aircraft that can carry more passengers, reduce fuel costs, and deliver an outstanding travel experience, and the 777-9 promises to achieve all three. One of the reasons airlines are so excited is the aircraft's incredible range. Designed to fly some of the world's longest routes, the Boeing 777-9 can connect cities separated by thousands of kilometers without the need for refueling stops. Imagine boarding a flight in one part of the world and arriving on another continent after more than 15 hours in the air without changing airplanes. This ability saves time for passengers while helping airlines operate more efficiently. Cargo is another major advantage. Modern airlines earn significant revenue not only from passengers but also from transporting goods beneath the cabin floor. Thanks to its large fuselage, the Boeing 777-9 offers impressive cargo capacity alongside its passenger seating. This means airlines can carry valuable freight, mail, medical equipment, electronics, and other products while transporting hundreds of travelers on the same flight. That extra cargo capability can make long-haul routes even more profitable. Passengers traveling in economy class are expected to enjoy a better experience than on many older aircraft. Improved lighting, better air circulation, larger overhead bins, and quieter cabins all contribute to making long journeys less tiring. Many airlines are also expected to install their newest entertainment systems, allowing passengers to watch movies, television shows, documentaries, and live flight information on high-definition screens throughout the journey. Business class travelers will benefit from even greater comfort. Many airlines are planning to install fully flat beds, private suites with sliding doors, wireless charging, larger storage compartments, and advanced entertainment systems. Some first-class cabins may include luxury suites with spacious seating, fine dining, and premium services designed to compete with the world's best airlines. The Boeing 777-9 also reflects the growing importance of environmental responsibility in aviation. Commercial aviation connects people and economies across the globe, but it also produces carbon emissions. Aircraft manufacturers are working hard to reduce aviation's environmental impact, and the 777-9 represents a major step forward. By using lightweight composite wings, advanced aerodynamics, and highly efficient GE9X engines, Boeing aims to reduce fuel consumption and emissions compared with older aircraft of similar size. Engineers have also focused on reducing noise. Airports located near residential communities often face strict noise regulations. Quieter aircraft help airlines operate while minimizing the impact on nearby neighborhoods. The GE9X engines feature advanced fan blades and modern acoustic technology that significantly lower noise during takeoff and landing. Another remarkable feature is the aircraft's digital monitoring system. Thousands of sensors throughout the airplane continuously collect data during every flight. This information allows maintenance teams to identify potential issues before they become serious problems. Instead of waiting for a component to fail, airlines can replace or inspect it proactively, improving reliability and reducing delays for passengers. The aircraft's advanced flight deck also supports pilots with sophisticated navigation systems. Modern weather radar can detect storms more accurately, helping crews avoid turbulence whenever possible. Improved communication systems keep pilots connected with air traffic control across oceans and remote regions, ensuring safer and smoother operations. Behind every successful airplane lies years of testing. Boeing has invested enormous resources into making sure the 777-9 meets some of the strictest certification standards ever applied to a commercial airliner. Test aircraft have completed numerous flights under different weather conditions, at various altitudes, and with different operating configurations. Engineers carefully analyze every piece of data collected during these flights to verify that every system performs exactly as intended. Ground testing has been equally demanding. Massive hydraulic machines have bent the aircraft's wings thousands of times to simulate decades of real-world operations. Landing gear systems have completed repeated takeoff and landing cycles. Cabin systems have been tested under extreme temperatures ranging from freezing conditions to intense desert heat. Every test is designed to prove that the aircraft can safely serve passengers for many years. The Boeing 777-9 also represents one of the largest commercial aircraft programs in modern aviation. Thousands of engineers, technicians, designers, software specialists, manufacturing workers, suppliers, and airline partners have contributed to its development. Components are manufactured in different countries before being assembled into one of the world's most advanced passenger airplanes. Although the aircraft has experienced delays, many aviation experts believe those delays ultimately strengthen the final product. Additional testing provides engineers with more opportunities to refine software, improve systems, and ensure compliance with evolving international safety regulations. In aviation, safety always comes before speed. Looking ahead, many analysts believe the Boeing 777-9 will gradually replace older wide-body aircraft that have served airlines for decades. As operating costs continue to rise, airlines need more efficient airplanes to remain competitive. The combination of lower fuel consumption, greater passenger capacity, and increased cargo capability makes the 777-9 an attractive solution for future international travel. Competition within the aviation industry is also driving innovation. Aircraft manufacturers continuously challenge each other to build safer, more efficient, and more comfortable airplanes. Every new generation introduces technologies that seemed impossible only a few years earlier. The Boeing 777-9 is a perfect example of how engineering continues to push the boundaries of commercial aviation. For aviation enthusiasts, the aircraft is more than just another airliner. It represents years of innovation, determination, and technological progress. Every successful test flight brings excitement to people who have followed the program from the beginning. Millions of travelers may soon experience this next-generation aircraft as it begins serving major international routes. Imagine standing at an airport as the Boeing 777-9 slowly taxis toward the runway. Its enormous composite wings stretch across the tarmac before the folding wingtips lock firmly into place for flight. The powerful G9X engines begin to roar with controlled precision, producing incredible thrust while remaining quieter than many older engines. As the aircraft accelerates, hundreds of passengers sit comfortably inside, ready to begin journeys across oceans and continents. Moments later, the aircraft lifts gracefully into the sky. Advanced computers continuously optimize performance while pilots monitor every stage of the flight. Inside the cabin, passengers relax under soft LED lighting, enjoy quieter surroundings, breathe fresher cabin air, and appreciate the spacious interior designed for long-distance comfort. The Boeing 777-9 is not simply another passenger airplane. It represents decades of aviation experience combined with the latest technology available today. From its lightweight composite wings and revolutionary folding wingtips to its powerful engines, modern cockpit, improved passenger experience, and commitment to greater efficiency, every element has been carefully designed to shape the future of global air travel. Whether you are an aviation enthusiast, a frequent traveler, or simply someone fascinated by cutting-edge engineering, the Boeing 777-9 is an aircraft worth watching. Its arrival marks the beginning of another exciting chapter in commercial aviation, where innovation continues to make flying safer, smarter, quieter, and more comfortable than ever before. The skies have always inspired humanity to dream bigger. Every generation builds aircraft that go farther, fly higher, and connect more people across the world. The Boeing 777-9 continues that tradition, proving that even after decades of aviation progress, there are still new horizons waiting to be explored. As passengers board this remarkable aircraft in the years ahead, they will not only be taking a journey across the world, they will also be experiencing the future of flight. If you enjoyed learning about the incredible Boeing 777-9, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing aviation stories, future aircraft, high-speed trains, and breakthrough transportation technologies. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.